Hello friends, today we will learn how to write paragraph writing. I, Vibhuti Bindal, share some views to write paragraph writing, which is a very important question in class 10th and 9th. A paragraph writing is a shorter version of an essay. A paragraph should be strictly small in size of word limit. एक जो आपका पैराग्राफ होता है वो ऐसे से शॉर्ट होता है. सेम आइडियाज हम कन्वे करते हैं ऐसे और पैराग्राफ में, बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? अ पैराग्राफ राइटिंग इज शॉर्टर देन essay writing. A paragraph should be strictly small in size or word limit. The opening or the topic sentence should define the topic very well, and thus the rest part should support the paragraph. जो आपकी ओपनिंग लाइन होती है वो that should be define the topic of the paragraph, and rest of the part should be support the paragraph writing's topic line. Now we will see in a line how to write a paragraph writing. First of all, group of sentences. Obviously a paragraph writing is a group of sentences. There should be one central idea. Your whole paragraph writing should be rotate only on one central idea. There should be unity in your views, there should be order in your writing, and there should be variety of the sentences by which you are defining the paragraph. Now we will learn how to write a paragraph. Understand the topic very clearly. First of all, you should be know what is the topic. You should be understand clearly the topic. Second thing, opening sentence should be very attractive और स्ट्रॉन्ग. योर ओपनिंग सेंटेंस शुड बी वेरी अट्रैक्टिव, बहुत ही कैची होना चाहिए. स्टिक टू द टॉपिक टिल द एंड ऑफ योर राइटिंग. जब तक आप अपनी राइटिंग पैराग्राफ राइटिंग एंड कर रहे हैं तब तक आपको चिपके रहना है अपने टॉपिक से. यूज सिंपल बट क्लियर लैंग्वेज. आपको सिंपल और बिल्कुल क्लियर लैंग्वेज यूज करनी है. Avoid grammatical mistakes. There should be no any grammatical mistake in your paragraph writing. And on a positive conclusion. This is very important thing which you keep in your mind. Your paragraph should be end with a positive conclusion. We should be always positive. Now, format of the paragraph writing. First of all, there should be a title on which you are going to write your paragraph. Then introduction. What will come in introduction? An introduction should have the idea about the topic which we are going to write. उस जिसके भी बारे में आप पैराग्राफ लिखने जा रहे हैं, there should be a idea about the topic which we are going to write. In other way, definition of the topic. Body. The body of the paragraph should be full of supporting sentences about the topic to give an idea about your knowledge. Body. What are the problems related to the topic or the title? Conclusion. Again, your conclusion should be positive. Let's see what is in conclusion. The conclusion of the paragraph should have the positive attitude or a solution about the topic given. आपको एक तो पॉजिटिव कंक्लूजन पे एंड करना है, प्लस आपको एक सॉल्यूशन भी देना है और अ सॉल्यूशन अबाउट द टॉपिक गिवन. देयर आर सम हेल्पिंग ट्रिक्स to write the paragraph writing. Try to engage reader with a strong opening sentences. First of all, your opening sentence should be so much attractive and strong that the reader should be engaged in your opening sentences. Second, give supportive statements. अब आपको जो आपका opening sentences है उनकी सारी supportive statements आपको अपने पैराग्राफ में लिखनी है. Use a good concluding sentence. There should also a good concluding sentence in the paragraph writing. There is a diagram type by which I will teach you how to write the paragraph. Template of paragraph, that means the title of the paragraph. On the top and in the center there should be the title of the paragraph. 5 steps हैं which you have to follow to write the paragraph writing. First, define. First of all, you have to define the topic. सेकेंड, प्रॉब्लम. क्या प्रॉब्लम है उससे रिलेटेड वो आपको देनी है. थर्ड स्टेप इज सॉल्यूशन. नाउ यू विल गिव द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दीज प्रॉब्लम्स. देन बेनिफिट्स. सॉल्यूशन के बाद बट बेनिफिट्स यू विल गेन. Fifth one is, and last one is conclusion. Such as you are going to write a paragraph on yoga. First point, there should be definition. First of all, you should be define what is yoga. So you will write the definition of yoga, define what exactly yoga is. Second number पे problem explain the problem currently we face. Without yoga, how many problems are creating in your life, है ना, such as anxiety, depression, such types of problems. Third one is solution. Now you will give the solution of these problem. How can you overcome by these problems? तो obviously by using yoga, provide the solution. Benefits. अब आपको ये solution फॉलो करने से क्या बेनिफिट हुआ, स्टेट द पोटेंशियल बेनिफिट्स दैट यू ओवरकम फ्रॉम द डिप्रेशन, फ्रॉम द एंजाइटी. फिफ्थ एंड लास्ट वन इज कंक्लूजन. मस्ट कंक्लूड विद अ पॉजिटिव नोट. इस चीज को आपको हमेशा ध्यान रखना है, आपके पैराग्राफ में नेगेटिविटी नहीं होनी है, ओनली पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए. नाउ वी विल सी a paragraph on yoga, such as yoga is an ancient practice which is helpful for physical and mental well-being of mankind. In this modern age, the graph of happiness has gone considerably down and stress levels are all-time high. Due to this, health-related issues have become very common. Yoga can be very beneficial under these circumstances. The reason being it involves both physical and mental exercises. Regular practice of yoga can reduce stress, anxiety, depression, and other mind-related issues. It helps shapes your body properly, thereby decreasing any health-related issue. Realizing the true power that yoga has to cure our physical and mental ailment, we must start practicing it on a regular basis to improve overall quality of our life. It is a very good example of a paragraph on the topic of yoga. In this day, you will do practice of paragraph writing, and by vocabulary you can write very good paragraph on any topic. So you should always try to improve your vocabulary and grammatical problems. Thank you.